So this rental is on deck 4, so I'm going to show you where the thistle and main dining room are. On this channel, we share rentals and sometimes sales from private owners aboard the Villa Vie Odyssey. Be sure to subscribe so you're the first to know when another rental or sale becomes available. So this is where we usually get on and off in port. Once in a while we're on deck 2, but this is where we are most of the time. Here's your main dining room, aft stairs, and here we are on deck 4. We are right here. So you can see where the room is located, almost midship. Of course, the elevators, aft elevators, stairwell. Right above it here you have the Coral Lounge. One more up is the buffet. Here we go. So again, you want to reach out to the owner. Email and WhatsApp are both in the description. Click the word more. You can also see the itinerary. Villa Vie hasn't updated the itinerary lately, but most of it's accurate, not all of it. So dry dock got moved to 2027 early, so if you see dry dock during the time you want to come, know it got moved. But remember, it's available until 2026 of July. Come join us. All right, let's check out this deck 4 Oceanview almost midship room for rent. I see the 2 beds pushed together. That means 2 twin XLs that can be separated for 2 separate people, or you could keep it together. It's just bigger than a queen, smaller than a king because they're European twins. But what a nice, lovely room. If this interests you, it is available right now. If you can come by in the next couple weeks or month, come join us. It is a 60-day minimum rental, and it's available all the way through July of 2026. So if you want to come on June and July, reach out to the owner. Maybe you want to be here in those cold months like January, February, and March. Hit up that owner, see if you can work out a deal. I see lots of extra storage over there under the desk. There's 3 bins. It's a nice dresser here. Lots of space. So this is available for single or double occupancy. Remember, the price includes 2 beer wine at lunch, gratuities, port fees and taxes, laundry, cleaning your room, Wi-Fi, and of course, all your food. We have an empty closet here with tons of hangers, refrigerator down below. Look, it's just waiting for your bar to be added right here. Deck 4, almost midship, ocean view, unobstructed view. There's nothing out the window. Let's check. Just the Philippines. No lifeboats because we're on deck 4. As always, the TV swivels over towards the bed, so you can lie back in bed and watch TV, and it's preloaded with movies and all the things. Now let's go check out the bathroom. And here we have the restroom. Lots of metal shelves for storage. The owner will remove all of their belongings. As always, if you are interested in renting, you're going to reach out to the owner in the description. So remember, you need to reach out to the owner. In the description, go to the word more at the end of the title in this video. Below the video, you see the title of the video, which is the name of the villa, etc. Click on the word more, and in the description, the prices are included. The price is right there, the dates available, all the things, how to reach out to the owner. I believe we have a WhatsApp and an email for this owner, so reach out. Come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey.